Good morning, students. I welcome you all. I hope you all are fine and safe along with your family members. Today I will continue the chapter Should Wizard Hit Mommy? In this chapter, Jack is telling a story to his daughter Jo. Jo is 4 years old girl and she is very fond of stories. So this story is about Roger Skunk who has foul smell, and because of his smell nobody plays with him and he feels upset and unhappy. So for this problem he goes to wise owl who asks him to go to wizard. Though wizard is ready to help, but he asks for money. So let's begin. Now when that wizard changed foul smell of Roger Skunk to a sweet smell of roses, he asked for 7 pennies, right? But Roger Skunk said that he has only 4 pennies, and after that he started crying. So the wizard said, "Oh, very well, go to the end of the lane and turn around 3 times and look down the magic well, and there you will find 3 pennies." So now when Roger Skunk said that he was not having 7 pennies, he was having only 4 pennies, then wizard asked him to go to the well and he asked him to turn 3 times, and after that he said that he would find 3 pennies there. Hurry up! So Roger Skunk went to the end of the lane and turned around 3 times, and there in a magic well, it was actually a magic well, were 3 pennies. So he took them back to the wizard and was very happy and ran out into the woods, and all the other little animals gathered around him because he smelled so good. And what was that smell? It was smell of roses. And they played tag, baseball, football, basketball, lacrosse, hockey, saucer, and pick up sticks. So all these are names of games that Roger Skunk and other animals they played together. Before that, other animals would run away from Roger Skunk, but because now he was having a very sweet smell of roses, so all they started playing with Roger Skunk and they played all these games together. What is pick up sticks? Now the question comes, what is pick up sticks? And who is this who is asking the question? Zo. It's a game you play with the sticks. So now Father Jack, he says that it's a game that is played with sticks, like the wizard's magic wand. Now again the question of Joe is it like wizard's magic wand? Kind of, something like that, Father said. And they played games and laughed all afternoon, and then it began to get dark and they all ran home to their mommies. So all the animals, kids, they played with Roger Skunk for a whole afternoon, and after that they went to, in the evening, get dark means when it was evening, about it was night, and they all ran towards their homes to their mummies. Jo was starting to fuss with her hands and look out of the window at the crack of day that showed under the shade. Now first means fret, touching. So she was touching with her hands and she was looking out of the window at the crack of day means sight. Crack means sight. So she was looking outside. She thought the story was all over. Jack didn't like women when they took anything for granted. He liked them apprehensive, hanging on his words. Now Joe, are you listening? Now after this, when Father said that, now Roger Skunk was happy because now he was having sweet smell. So now that girl, 4 years old girl, she thinks maybe now story is over. But it was not like that. Father said, "Now, Joe, are you listening?" So now this thing is mentioned here that Jack didn't like women when they took things for granted. So this is nature of Jack father, that he doesn't like this such kind of women who take anything for granted, and he would think that they should wait for his words, because still he was telling a story, he had not ended. Yes. Now yes, who is giving this answer? Yes, Joe is giving this answer, because this is very interesting. Roger Skunk's mommy said, "What is that awful smell?" Now when Roger Skunk reached home, his mother was not happy. Actually, she was unhappy, and she said, "What is that awful smell?" What? Now, what is it awful smell? And Roger Skunk said, "It's me, Mommy. I smell like roses." So now Joe is surprised. She's shocked. What means? Mother is telling awful smell of roses. She is telling awful smell. And then father continued, and Roger Skunk said, "It is me, Mommy. I smell like roses." Now Roger Skunk said to mother that it's me, Roger Skunk, and now I smell like roses. And she said, "Who made you smell like that?" And he said, "The wizard." And mother asked that, "How did you smell like roses, and who has done it?" Then he answered that it was done by wizard. And she said, "Well, of all the nerve, you come with me, and we are going to write back to that very awful wizard." So this line shows that she's so unhappy. She's angry actually. Of all the nerves means how dare he. Of all the nerves, this is a phrase. Meaning of this phrase is how dare he. Joe set up her hands, dabbling. Dabbling means moving in the air, swaying. Dabbling is moving, swaying, with genuine fright. Fright is fear. "But Daddy," then he said, "about the other little animals run away." Her hands skittered off into the underbrush. So whenever her father would say that other animals would run away, she would keep her hands into the underbrush. Underbrush means like undergrowth, or skittered means moving quickly and lightly. So now, "All right," he said, "but Mommy, all the other little animals run away." And she said, "I don't care. You smelled the way a little skunk should have, and I am going to take you right back to the wizard." And she took an umbrella and went back with Roger Skunk and hit that wizard right over the head. Now Mama is unhappy, and when Roger Skunk said that, "Mama, earlier I had very bad smell, foul smell, and because of that smell other animals would run away. And now today I have played with other animals. I'm happy." But mother said, "No, you smell the way a little." Means when earlier you smelled, it was smell of a skunk. So you should smell like a skunk, not like roses. You are not a rose. You are a skunk. So your smell should be like smell of a skunk. So she said, she took an umbrella, and they went to wizard, and she hit that wizard right over the head. "No," Joe said, and put her hand out of touch his lips. Yet even in her agitation did not quite dare to stop the source of truth. Agitation means excitement. Inspiration came to her. Then the wizard hit her on the head and did not change that little skunk back. Now, that little girl, Joe, she thought that after that wizard did not change smell of that skunk back to that foul smell. It was she was thinking like that. "No," he said. The wizard said okay, and Roger Skunk did not smell of roses any more. He smelled very bad again. So now again, wizard, he obeyed mother and he changed smell of Rosa skunk to that foul smell again. But the other little now these words are said by that little girl Zoe. She wanted to say something, but then father said Johnny. Johnny is name of Joe, full name of Joe. So father says, Johnny, it's daddy's story. Shall daddy not tell you any more stories? Now daddy is saying to little Joe that it is daddy's story. So you should listen to story carefully without raising so many questions. Actually, he wanted to say that her broad face looked at him. So again, now that girl, she looked at her father through sifted light, astounded. Astounded means she was surprised. This is what happened then. Roger Skunk and his mommy went home and they heard woo, woo, and it was a choo choo train bringing Daddy Skunk home from Boston. So when after that, again with that foul smell, Roger Skunk with his mother, both they reached home and then they heard sound of that train. So these words woo, choo, these words are used to mention sound of train because Father Skunk was coming from Boston. And they had lima beans, celery, liver, mashed potatoes and P.O. me for dessert. So they ate all these things in dinner. And when Roger Skunk was in bed, Mommy Skunk came up and hugged him and said he smelled like her little baby skunk again and she loved him very much. And that is the end of the story. So here at night when Roger Skunk was on the bed, mother came to him and she hugged him and she said that she loved him so much, very much. And here the end of the story. That's all for today, students. Now it's time for homework. Today's homework is you have to explore about the writer of the story, John Updike. Why I am giving you this homework? Because when you will read about writer, it will be very easy for you to understand this chapter. So with this, I wish you good health. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.